Hello survivors, Junkthar here. So you got your Quetz using the method of the grappling hook that I showed you in my last video, or you got it because it derped out into a wall and just let you shoot it. But anyways, now you're ready for a higher level one. What you're going to need is you're going to take that Quetzal that you trained and you're going to throw a platform saddle on it. You can make this at level 80. The cost is 620 hide, 400 fiber, 180 metal ingots, 220 silica pearls, and 120 cementing paste, and it is crafted in this smithy. Now, what you're going to need to do this is also 2 thatch foundations, 14 thatch ceilings, and 16 thatch walls. So let's go ahead and we're going to show you how to build the cage. We're going to throw our first foundation down right there, second one right there. Now we're going to surround this with thatch ceilings. So it's going to be a 3x3 square. I just wasted one of my ceilings. Alright, so we got a 3x3 square. Let's get our walls. Now the idea behind this is the Quetzal needs a full 3x3 square to fly through. If it can't fly through a 3x3 square, it will not go in, but it also cannot exit. So we're going to go 3 high, and we're already 3 wide and 3 deep. There's more thatch ceilings. I don't have any more thatch ceilings. Let's get a couple made up here. I run mine right down the middle here. So that's what you got. You got a nice opening right there, and I'll show you why you're going to want to leave that open like that instead of enclosing the top. It makes it a lot easier when you're catching a Quetz. You always want to also keep a couple walls now in this Quetzal. I specifically keep Deadpool here for catching Quetzals that I see. I keep it already pre-built and ready to go. So let me go out and find a Quetzal, and I will show you how it's done, trapping them and taming them. So I will be right back. Alright, so here we are. I got a level 65 male Quetzal here. So I'll show you how we're going to trap it and how we're going to tame it. So I come up from the underneath, and that little hole up there that we left fits his head just perfect. So we're going to fit him in there, and we're going to hit E and jump off, and he flies right in. We're going to come back here, throw a couple walls up, because remember, he needs that full 3x3. Now he's stuck. He can't go anywhere. So now we shoot. Now, some people say you can move them when they're in an agitated state, but once they're in here, if you move your Quetzal at all, they will glitch through the wall and take off. I have not been able to get the Quetzal moved while you're firing at it. It has always glitched through the wall for me, so I just try to trap it wherever I want to tame it, preferably away from bugs, because once it's down, you definitely can't move it. It will fall through your platform. So like where I'm at now, it would just fall into the water and drown or be eaten by megalodons. So keep that in mind when you're taming. You also want to make sure before you come up that you've got plenty of food, plenty of water, because you're going to be up in the air for a while. So we're just going to sit here and get lots of headshots as we pump them full of darts. Should go down any time now. There he is. He is down. Now at this point, if you move your Quetzal anywhere, he will fall through the floor to his death. So you can now access him, throw all of your stuff on him, and train away. Just make sure that you keep any bugs away. Your tribe mates don't whistle, because I'll show you what happens if your Quetzal moves at all. If I can get to my guy here. Which I can't. But if you move him, he'll just fall through. So that is how you make the Quetzal cage trap and use it.